for joining me today. It's Friday and it's Happy Friday, and so I'm gonna make awesome garlic butter steak bits over mashed potatoes. Oh, just to die for. So I always treat myself on Fridays, and tonight I'm treating myself with these awesome garlic butter steak bits, steak bites. Anyway, they're delicious. Let me start showing you how to make these. Okay, let's start making our mashed potatoes. I'm making it just for myself, so I have one large potato, and we're just gonna peel it. And I hate my peeler. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Anyway, there's some on the floor. But peel your potato the best you can. I'm not good at it. So once you've got your potato all peeled up and cleaned up, then let's cut it up into smaller pieces so that it will cook faster. And I have my pan over here with salted water in it. And let's just put them into the pan and put them on the stove to boil. There we go. Okay, there's that part. Okay, I've got my hot plate heating up. Let's put our skillet on it. And we're gonna add about a tablespoon of oil. Now I'm just making enough for myself tonight. I'll put ingredients down below for a larger portion. We're gonna let that heat up. In the meantime, you see I've got my steak all cut up, and I've included some of that fat that was there just to add flavor. Now you wanna make sure and pat that dry. I've already patted mine some. Well, let's just make sure they're good and dry. Okay, that does it. Next, what we want to do is salt and pepper it. Stir that around a little so I get both sides. Okay, let's add a tablespoon of butter. Actually, a couple if you're making a larger portion. The oil helps keep it from burning. These are so good. You're gonna love them. Okay, that's good. Let's put these in. And if you've got a big batch, you wanna maybe do it in 2 separate batches because you don't want them touching when they're cooking. But mine is so small, I can do it all in one batch. And we're gonna brown these. And turn them once they're browned on the one side. Okay, once those have browned on both sides, then you want to remove them and set them aside. You might want to put a tent over them to keep them warm. Now take about a tablespoon of minced shallot. Stir that around. And then add your garlic. I'm using 2 cloves of garlic. It's a lot for the small amount I'm making, but I love the garlic flavor. Check the ingredients in the description below for the quantities to use in your portions. Now we want that just to start releasing flavor, but we don't want it to get too too browned, and it's going fast. So next I'm going to add some vermouth. And that's about 1/8 cup. I'm going to add a little Worcestershire sauce, about a tablespoon, and let that cook the alcohol out. And look at all those goody ingredients. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, this is ready. Look how quick it is. I should have had my mashed potatoes ready for you before, but they are almost ready, and so we'll be good. Now let's add our steak back in. and about a tablespoon of parsley. Yum, is that good or what? Okay, our potatoes have cooked and I've drained them. And what we want to do now is start with a tablespoon of butter and this cream cheese. I'm going to add a tablespoon of whipped cream cheese. And you can make your own potato recipe, mashed potato recipe, but this is mine. And I have to admit, it's so good that I make it this way most often. I'm gonna add a little salt, a little pepper, and just a little bit of half and half. It's about a tablespoon. Okay, now then I'm going to use my blender. If you have a masher, that works too. But mine will be more like creamed potatoes. And you want to scrape the sides from time to time. I'm going to add a little more of the half and half. That does it. Those look good. Okay, we're ready to serve this up. Look at this. It looks outstanding. Oh, everything turned out perfect. So let's give it a try. Start with a steak bite. I call them bites. So tender and buttery and garlicky. Mashed potatoes are going to be awesome. Yes. My mashed potatoes are always awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this recipe a try. It is so quick and easy and so tasty. Perfect for your Friday night happy hour dinner. And I would hope that you will come back and watch more videos and give me a thumbs up for the like and subscribe. And please leave comments. I love chatting with you. And I will see you at the next video. You have a good weekend. Bye now.